All right, so for this extremely in-demand video, we're going to do makeup for women over 50, 60. This is my girl, Faye Faye. You all know her from 5 years ago, even from about 3 years ago. I did a video on her as well. This is going to take you through a dramatic look for women that are over 50 or 60. Faye is 62. I don't care what y'all say. Y'all can say I'm lying, she's lying, whatever. Black don't crack. This girl is the bomb, and she's one of my best of friends. So let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. So I'm going in with Black Track Fluid Line, and I'm going in to create a smoky eye. You want to work very quick with this, or just use a black eyeshadow. But this is my base that I am using, and I'm not taking it too high into the crease. I'm filling the eyebrow with chocolate pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills and an angle brush from Zoeva, just to kind of fill in the eyebrows. Now, making the eyebrows a little bit thicker again can give a younger look. I'm taking like a blending brush 224 and a burgundy color, putting it in the crease. I will correct the unibrow, don't worry, and more blending will come. Doing a little bit of dark liner, but this is a very quick look. Very, very cute for a nice formal. We were going to a formal that night. And now the Juno sponge and NC45 Studio Fix liquid from MAC Cosmetics. I'm pouncing that all over her skin, and it just gives a little bit of a dewy look, but it is Studio Fix fluid, so it does dry in a more matte. Sorry, we laugh all the time, as you all can see, but I am going to create a more dewy look, because it will dry more matte. I should have said that. So just kind of pouncing that all over the skin, and now I'm using Worn Tan foundation for Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'd rather use foundation with more textured skin because it doesn't crease as much as like concealer that can be a little bit too thick. A lot of times I'll use a lighter liquid. This is a Studio Fix foundation for Anastasia Beverly Hills. I could not get Faye to be quiet, but I love her. I just can't, whatever. So as you can see, I'm just kind of putting that down the center of the face and underneath the eyes. Her mom, Ruby, was sitting there too, so it was just a good time. It was a good time. But this is a good time video, so yeah. So now I'm going in with Earth Foundation. This is also Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to create a contour. This actually creates a nice youthful look, and just blend that out. I'm going to have a separate video on how to blend a contour very nicely, so please look out for that video. And I'm just kind of powdering the skin. As you can tell, this is a very nice sultry eye. Just make sure everything's blended, where there's no demarcation or too harsh of a look, because yes, this is for a dramatic nighttime look for women over 50, 60. This was a little bit of glitter I put in the tear ducts from Urban Decay. It's their glitter liners. They got about 4 of them, very easy to find. And now I'm applying her lashes. This is the Shop Miss A lashes in 523. Faye does not usually do dramatic lashes, but I like these because they are wispy, they're not too thick, and they are real hair lashes. And again, that's shopmissa.com. I will have the link below. I'm going in with Never lip liner. Love this lip liner from NYX. Very soft. It's kind of like cork. Might be a little bit lighter, maybe between cork and oak from MAC Cosmetics, but it's a really, really pretty lip liner. I'm going to be going in with a ColourPop a matte lipstick. I believe it's called Trap. That's coming up, and there you see, that's a matte lipstick. Matte lipsticks are really, really nice. For some reason, Faye licked her lips after this. I do not know why, but whatever. You don't really want to lick, matte lipsticks once they're, put on. But it didn't move. It just showed that they're awesome to have. Now you'll see kind of the gray line because I had to put a little extra glue, so Faye's lashes made sure that they stayed, or I made sure that Faye's lashes stayed. And then this is some mascara that I'm just putting on the bottom lash. As you can see, we smoked it out underneath that lash line. It's okay, just make sure everything is soft enough. You know, you don't want to do too much. If you have issues with crow's feet, different things like that, be careful with the powder under the eyes. Make sure you mist the skin. This is an all-nighter spray from Urban Decay. Mist that skin really, really well. Make sure everything settles into the skin. And I did use a pinkish blush from Elf, I believe. And we were just trying to figure out how she was wearing her hair for that evening. And that's pretty much the look. I'm going in to lighten the eyebrows with a lighter brow color. Faye doesn't really like darker brows, but darker brows can give a harsher look, so make sure they're not too dark. So this is the look, and I hope that you all enjoyed it. I've gotten so many requests to do Faye's makeup. Oh my goodness, the amount of people that love Faye is unbelievable. She needs to do her own YouTube channel. She can probably do better than me. All right, see you in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.